Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, remove laces, tap out loose dirt, and brush crumb from seams so the eraser works on grime, not grit. Dampen the magic eraser until it's only slightly moist. Squeeze until water drips stop. You're doing this to avoid overwetting materials and to keep the eraser from shredding. Test an inconspicuous patch to confirm it won't strip, dye, or finish. Once that test looks good, cut or tear the eraser into a comfortable size and position yourself to begin cleaning. You move methodically. Focus on rubber midsoles and hard-to-clean scuffs first, using short, controlled strokes that remove marks without gouging. Apply firmer pressure on white midsoles and lighter pressure on colored fabric or suede edges. This balances removal with preservation. Make overlapping passes and blend outward so you don't leave visible cleaning lines. Keep the eraser just moist. If it dries, re-wet lightly. Once a section looks uniform, wipe with a microfiber cloth to assess progress before you finish by removing foam residue with a damp microfiber cloth and inspect seams and stitching closely. Let shoes air dry naturally away from direct heat or sunlight to prevent warping or color shift, and only relace when everything is dry. If stubborn stains remain, repeat the small area test and work gradually. Persistent discoloration may need a cleaner formulated for that material instead of more abrasive scrubbing. Key troubleshooting tip: if the eraser dulls the finish, stop, rinse, and test a gentler approach immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.